Hello and welcome back to another episode. Hi guys. Another episode of The Real Patch.
We're in the van.
We're in the van. Originally, when I started building the E36 2 years ago, my plan was to K-swap it. The problem with that is I lost bothered. Fast forward 2 years, not having a K24. Then I decided to go on eBay. What I came across was something a bit special. So no, we're not going to tell you what it is just yet.
But it's exciting.
But it's pretty cool. Oh look, Essex. I don't know if you're upside down now or just totally backwards. I don't know how to. Anyway, ta-ta. Hello.
I've been thinking, you don't really know a thing about you and I. I see a parting, but just to conceal it with a smile, smile. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up?
Stronger hands than I have.
Good. Awesome, yeah. Now wake you up. We're down, boys.
Well, there you have it. We've picked up the goods.
Still in the van.
We're still in the van, but we've been to the place, which was just south of Colchester, in Essex, and we picked up a BMW M70.
Are you sure about that?
No, B70 M50. No, we're gonna go roll with it. It's an M70 B50. That's what it is.
I'll take your word for it.
So that's what we've got, which is a 5 litre V12. That's going to go to my BMW. Anyway.
Did I say I'm excited?
Yes, you did. Do you want to say it again?
I already said I'm excited. I'm really excited.
So now that we have the engine back at the unit, I didn't film any of that because it was late and
We were in a hurry.
we're going to start taking some bits of this, see what we've got, see what we can
Take it all apart.
see what we can look at, see what we can do with it, and start kind of making a plan towards getting it running. Well, first of all, getting it in the engine bay of the 36 and then getting it to the point where it can run. So, without further ado, let's get some things off this and start breaking it down. Gosh, look at that.
You're so strong. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Use them gym abs. Gym
I've
muscles.
always said this, Richard is like weird freak mechanic strong. I'm gym strong, but he is next level.
Come on. Has a twist. There we go.
Yes. And then we need a little
need
flathead.
Yep.
Look at that, first try.
That's the most pathetic little
That's all you need.
have
you seen how small that is? Yeah, comment down below. Is mechanic strength a different kind of strength to gym strength? I'm going to say yes it is. One of them.
Beautiful.
Wonderful work. So we just need 12 of those.
Well, yeah, 12 of those mounted here.
Yeah, just there.
So we're just going to bend that back to where it should be.
Ah, see the clip you need.
See now? And press that in. Pull up.
Wonderful.
Clip. Clippity. Yeah, so these manifolds are kind of loosely bolted on.
Yeah.
They're not actually kind of fixed properly, hence we've got a little bit of movement there.
Okay.
They're fun to get to.
Yeah, well, I was about to say, do we need an extension? The little bolts down there.
It's going to be big.
It's gonna be a dick. So this looks really fun.
That's tight. There we go. Good little quarter drive ratchet. Don't know if there's a better way of doing this or not. We should probably have taken the injectors out first.
I was about to say, it's going to be so much easier to get to them
Oh yeah, you were just going to say, yeah.
I was just about to say.
Yeah, you were just going to mention.
If we take the fuel rail and the injectors out,
Yeah,
that's going to be so much easier to get to the
Yeah,
manifold bolts.
Yes,
The manifold bolts. Literal pigeon sex. Oh, that they're fighting. Here we have the two pigeons. One a submissive and one slightly more dominant. You can see that the pigeon at the a third pigeon has entered the mix.
Do you want to get this?
Yeah.
Yeah, please hold.
I'm getting it.
There we go. Nice.
You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No. Just the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute, just relax?
So Richard's just made a point. The next box we need to get to, obviously, you've got the ones on the top, fine. But there's ones on the bottom as well. How the hell are you? I mean, that's a joke. Surely.
Get to that one there.
You can get to the one on the ends. But then how the fuck do you get to the other ones? Absolute struggles.
No.
Oh, I can see it.
I can sit there for a minute.
Okay.
Oh, nicely done. Nicely done.
Update. We found out how to remove the intake manifolds. Top bolt's fine, not a problem.
It's an insert expletive here.
Honestly, you're having to go behind and in to get them. So we Googled online how to remove V12 intake bolts, and it just said it's difficult but doable.
On the blog I found, it's actually got starred out. Therefore difficult.
Okay, well it's very hard, so I'm not going to bother trying to film all of this.
Because this is going to take a while.
It's going to take a while, so we're just going to crack on, get them undone, and then we'll catch up with you in a bit.
5 minutes later.
I've just noticed we've got a little thing on that one as well. Yeah.
Oh, so there's a side to do first.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna cry! I'm gonna cry!
15 minutes undoing the wrong side. It's okay.
Name?
It's okay, you know what to do now. The next one.
Yeah, I know what you're doing. Yeah, great.
The next one will be
thanks, Patch.
a doddle.
Yeah, okay.
I believe in you.
Right. Carry on.
As you were, soldier.
As I was.
So, we are incredibly close to getting off this manifold. Obviously, you know that we've taken the one side off wrong, because apparently you're supposed to do the one with the fuel rail first, but they didn't say that at all. So it was stuck on there, but we're hoping, because these last two bolts are literally impossible to get to, there and there, I think. So we're hoping now that we've kind of bent the fuel rail tabs just up. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh my God. Finally. I mean, how on earth is someone going to get that bolt there and that bolt there?
It's me.
That's ridiculous.
Can we both agree to never do that job?
We're never going to do that job again.
Thank you.
And we're going to ITB it, so we never have to do that again. Ever and ever.
Send me that.
Oh, don't worry about
voice thing.
The last bolt in the baggie.
We need to just
Oh, we need to do
that one there.
Get that off.
And a couple of 10mm long boys.
That should be enough just to get that off.
Nice.
And that's that one. Someone along the way has had this off, I reckon. And then magic.
Beautiful. So I mean, she clearly hasn't run for a while.
Yeah, some nasty.
Got a load of shite down
Clean
there.
that out, haven't we?
But there's no rust. So she's not been sitting outside, she's not been sitting in water. So that's
He
good.
did say he dried stored it, so that is a positive. But it does look like it's come out of a bush.
Until we get the engine in the car now,
Yeah.
we're going to struggle to know exactly how much room we've got. And that's just going to mean dummying it up, basically. Next is ancillaries down here. Get these off, get the plug leads out, marked up, and both sides. Get all literally every ancillary off this.
Yeah.
So then we can see how much space we've got.
Yeah.
And what we got to work with here. But so far,
It's not too bad. It looks better like that already, doesn't it?
cool. Right, ancillaries.
Nice. So yeah, so when we picked up this engine, the chap that we bought it off had already pre-made an E36 subframe with spacers and stuff, and also pre-made some engine mounts, which Richard's just trying to get off now. Under there, there's some engine mounts. Just there's some engine mounts. Like you say, don't look too
You
bad.
can see my penguin socks. Check those bad boys out. No, that's actually quite nicely done. You know, the welds look strong. It's made out of reasonable gauge metal. So no, that's actually
Pretty good, strong,
pretty
strong engine mount. It is now much cooler in here, so less sweaty. I think we've made some good progress. I mean, it might be quicker for us to strip the other side off camera. Plus, we've done one side; we don't need to do another one. Trying to keep this interesting. So I reckon we call it there, Mr. Richard Bulmer. And we say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed making it. Literally took us an hour and a half to get the manifold off, but it's fine. So in the next video, we're just going to be stripping. I mean, probably the next couple of videos are going to be tearing this engine apart.
See what you bought.
See what I've bought. See if it runs. You know, see if it turns. I mean, it did turn over, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, it turns. We just need to do kind of a bit of a health check on it, get the cam covers off. Make sure the cams are in good nick, have the plugs out.
Yeah, we need to like clean it inside now, don't we?
I'll borrow the boroscope from work.
Ooh, nice.
We can have a look inside. Just
That'll be interesting, see inside.
see how that looks.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now you can conclude.
Okay, now we can conclude the video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe for some more E36 build content, engine content stuff, and we shall see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.